The county assembly, I salute you. The executive county directors, ministers, chief officers, I salute you. All elders, nyekena, kayuocha, kwerena, amosou, kendaruakou, ekarachuonyo. Jodelawa, allow me to speak in English for a minute. Kisungu bara mai bunge. Your Excellency, I stand here as a duly elected, declared county MP, commonly referred as woman representative of Homa Bay County. When I campaigned, you told me, go and look for the votes. Nobody's having the certificate. You are resilient. You are effective. You are thorough. You have the political heart of this country. And you have the heart of driving devolution to where we have reached. Your Excellency, without you, Kenya will not be stable. Without your direction, devolution will go to dogs. Without you, the enjoyed unity will not be there. The enjoyed stability will not be there. Father, you swallow your pride at the expense of all Kenyans. Without you, you would be like Sudan. Without you, you would be like Somali. May the good Lord lift you highest as you drive ODM. Jodalawa, adwa monda wachi, mon karachuanyo pieti. Magi mon machamarenge lechegi. Kachako karachuonyo. Kabondo. Kasipul. Suba. Welo kuemos. Adwa wacho ni chama ODM. En machunga minyodo. Machunga mipoko. Machunga mibio. Machunga madhi. Omio kachunka. Teach mwadwa tiyo Homa Bay County. En teach maonge tugo. Lokruok probet. Kaka no wacho ni wabek no sompiny. Isome gi malo. Watele gik moko. To gik moko dhi mbele. An kaka chikara chuonyo mogik. Kawuono kadwa wacho thore. Nikech an dhako. Mano nyuom gi dhok magala moro. Kawuono tija tij rwako welo. Abiro go siasa samowinjore. Kawuono acheko mana dho welo. Kendo kaka sup gi gik moko notimore ka thedro le dala ka. Adwa mana wacho ni joka koyo Nyasaye magwedho ji omiu hach madhano nyal miyo udembru kungeni ya. You are coming from a family that is respected, a family that is related to the Odingas, a family that must emulate what the parents were doing. Finally, and then okamama nejapur, mama ja Kristo, mama ja puonj, mama ja sheria, mama nok ja mibadhi, weche gi oriere tir ka UDL, mane kit mon makindu, weche oriere tir, omiyo gimora mora momiwa, wadhiriere tir ka UDL, ok wanago county piny, to wanathule malo e nying Ruoth Yesu.
Adwa mdo kora luongi